Hey YouTube, today we're going to replace the bulb in this Highmount stop lamp in this 2001 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo with one of these LED bulbs from Sylvania. Is a 921 or 912 bulb. They're both about the same. We're just going to take that thing out, replace the bulb, and see how bright it gets. So let's get to it. Let's take a look at how bright it is with just a regular incandescent bulb in there. So they're just two Torx screws. They look like T20 screws. So we're just going to go ahead and remove them. This thing comes right out. And here's the bulb in the back. And this thing's been in here for almost 20 years, so let's go ahead and replace it with one of these. See how bright it gets. Let's pop this back in here. Let's see how bright that looks before I put the lens back on. Go ahead and pop the lens back in. Goes on just like that. Drive these up. Now let's see how bright that is in regular daylight. As you can see, that was much brighter. I hope you liked this video. If you do, please hit subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. God bless.